Did you know that some common vegetables could be silently harming your health, especially as you age? In this video, I'm revealing 3 vegetables you should never touch, and the 3 superfoods you absolutely must include in your diet for better senior health. Stick around because what you eat can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Want to stay vibrant and energized? Then this is a must-watch. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more essential senior health tips that can change your life. Let's get started and take charge of your well-being, one bite at a time. 1. Beware of hidden risks, vegetables that can harm your health. When we think about healthy eating, vegetables are usually the first thing that comes to mind. After all, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, everything we need to stay strong and feel great. But did you know that some vegetables, despite their good reputation, can actually cause more harm than good, especially as we age? This might sound surprising, but it's true. As we grow older, our bodies change, and certain foods can affect us differently. So, it's important to be careful about what we put on our plates. Let's start with a question. Have you ever experienced unexpected digestive discomfort after eating a vegetable you thought was healthy? Maybe bloating, cramps, or even allergic reactions? If so, you're not alone. Many seniors face similar issues because some vegetables contain compounds that are harder to digest or can interfere with medications commonly taken in later years. For example, vegetables from the nightshade family, like tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and peppers, can sometimes trigger inflammation in sensitive individuals. This can worsen joint pain or arthritis symptoms, which are common concerns for seniors. While these veggies are nutritious for many, those with inflammation issues may want to limit their intake or avoid them altogether. Another example is raw cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. While they're packed with antioxidants and cancer-fighting compounds, eating them raw in large quantities can cause gas, bloating, and discomfort for some seniors whose digestive systems have slowed down. Cooking these vegetables often makes them easier to digest and gentler on your stomach. One more surprising culprit is spinach and beet greens. These leafy greens are loaded with oxalates, a natural compound that can contribute to kidney stones in people who are prone to them. So, if you have a history of kidney issues, it might be wise to moderate your intake of these greens or speak with your doctor. Now, here's something to really think about. How well do you know the impact of your favorite vegetables on your health? Are you eating them simply because they're popular? Or have you considered how your body responds to them? Being mindful about these choices can protect you from discomfort and keep you feeling your best. This is why it's so important for seniors to learn which vegetables might not be the best choice for their unique bodies. The right knowledge empowers you to avoid hidden risks and prevent unnecessary health problems. It's not about giving up on vegetables, far from it. It's about making smart decisions that work for your body's current needs. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the exciting world of super veggies, those nutritional powerhouses that seniors should definitely include in their diet to boost energy, immunity, and overall vitality. The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Before we move on, take a moment to think about your own eating habits. Have you noticed any vegetables that seem to upset your stomach or cause discomfort? Share your experience in the comments or talk about it with your family and healthcare provider. Awareness is the first step to better health. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a one-size-fits-all approach. Understanding which vegetables may pose risks for you can help you avoid pitfalls and enjoy the benefits of a well-balanced diet tailored just for your senior years. 2. Power up with super veggies, nutrients that boost senior vitality. As we age, our nutritional needs change, and the right foods can make a world of difference in how we feel every day. While it's important to avoid certain vegetables that might cause harm, it's equally crucial to focus on the ones that can power up your health and help you thrive in your senior years. These super veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your energy levels, brain function, immune system, and overall vitality. Have you ever wondered which vegetables can truly help you feel younger, stronger, and more vibrant? Choosing the right veggies is like giving your body a natural boost, a secret weapon against the common challenges that come with aging. Take, for example, sweet potatoes. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function, all areas that often need extra care as we grow older. Sweet potatoes also provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, giving you lasting energy without the blood sugar spikes. Another superstar vegetable is spinach. Rich in iron, magnesium, and folate, spinach helps support your muscles, bones, and brain. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood, helping you feel energized and alert. Folate supports cognitive function, which means eating spinach regularly might contribute to a sharper mind and better memory. And the magnesium? It aids in muscle relaxation and keeps your heart rhythm steady, two key benefits for seniors. Then there's broccoli, often called a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. This cruciferous vegetable contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been studied for its potential to reduce inflammation and support the body's natural detox processes. Broccoli also provides vitamin C, calcium, and fiber, nutrients that promote strong bones, healthy skin, and smooth digestion. Now here's a question for you to ponder. What if the vegetables on your plate could not only nourish you but also protect you from age-related diseases like heart problems, arthritis, or memory loss? Which ones would you choose, knowing they can help you stay active and independent for longer? The exciting truth is that incorporating these super veggies into your meals is easier than you might think. Whether roasted, steamed, blended into smoothies, or tossed into salads, they add flavor and color while delivering essential nutrients your body craves. The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss, because in our upcoming lesson, we'll show you simple, practical swaps that can transform your diet without stress or confusion. Small changes can bring big results, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Before moving on, take a moment to reflect on your current vegetable choices. Are you including enough nutrient-rich options like sweet potatoes, spinach, and broccoli? Or is it time to refresh your grocery list and try some new recipes that pack a punch? Remember, eating well is a powerful form of self-care, especially in your senior years. By focusing on these super veggies, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight inflammation, boost energy, and keep your mind sharp, helping you enjoy a fuller, healthier life. So why wait? Start thinking about how you can add more of these nutritional heroes to your plate today. Your future self will thank you. 3. Simple swaps for a healthier diet, easy changes with big benefits. When it comes to maintaining good health in your senior years, sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. You don't need to completely overhaul your diet overnight to enjoy better digestion, stronger bones, or more energy. In fact, making simple swaps, replacing certain vegetables that may not serve you well with nutrient-packed alternatives, can be a game changer. These easy adjustments can help you create a balanced, enjoyable diet that supports your well-being every single day. Think about your current eating habits. How often do you find yourself reaching for the same vegetables out of routine? While comfort and familiarity are great, it's worth asking, could swapping just one or two veggies for healthier options improve your vitality and mood? For instance, if you often eat white potatoes, consider swapping them for sweet potatoes or carrots. Both alternatives provide more fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, common concerns for many seniors. Sweet potatoes also support eye health, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which promotes healthy skin and immune function. If raw cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cabbage sometimes cause bloating or discomfort, try lightly steaming or roasting them instead. Cooking breaks down tough fibers and makes these veggies easier on your digestive system without sacrificing their health benefits. Or, you might try swapping broccoli for kale or Swiss chard, which are also nutrient-dense but sometimes easier to digest. Another simple swap could be trading iceberg lettuce, which has limited nutrients, for spinach or mixed greens that deliver more vitamins and minerals to your plate. These leafy greens offer iron, calcium, and antioxidants that support your bones, heart, and brain, areas that benefit greatly from proper nutrition as we age. Here's a question to consider. What small change could you make in your diet today that might help you feel lighter, more energetic, or less bloated tomorrow? Sometimes it's these tiny tweaks, rather than drastic diets, that lead to lasting health improvements. These simple swaps not only enhance your nutritional intake but also keep meals exciting and flavorful. Trying new vegetables and cooking methods can reawaken your love for healthy eating and inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Plus, when your meals are satisfying and delicious, sticking to a healthy diet becomes much easier. The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss, because we're about to reveal the 3 vegetables you should never touch and why avoiding them can protect your health even more than you might expect. Before that, take a moment to think about your current vegetable choices. Are there any you eat out of habit that might be worth replacing with something better for your digestion, energy, or overall health? Small changes add up, and every step toward smarter eating is a step toward feeling your best. Remember, healthy eating in your senior years doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's about making informed, enjoyable choices that suit your body's unique needs. With these simple swaps, you can nourish your body, support your well-being, and still enjoy every bite. So, why not start today? Look at your plate and see if you can make just one swap that might boost your health and brighten your day. Your body will thank you for it. Conclusion: thank you for watching and taking these important steps toward better senior health. If you found even a little helpful advice in today's video, I'd love to hear from you. What surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these vegetable swaps or discovered new superfoods that boosted your energy? Your experiences and questions can help others in our community, so please drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more valuable health tips made just for you. Together, we can make healthy aging simple and enjoyable. Your feedback means the world. Let's keep the conversation going.